All right, so I'm out here and I'm working on yesterday I put my cover on. Start over. I put my cover on yesterday and I noticed that my right side of my exhaust slip-on was loose. And so I got a little worried, but I had to go to Virginia to see my in-laws. So to make a long story short, I came out here today to fix it. While I'm fixing it, I'm saying like, this could be some content. So I'm a little late. So let me show you guys what we got going on. All right, hold on. See, can I fix this? All right, so I had to take off the saddle. I had my lights connected to it and my speakers connected to it. I had to disconnect that. And what it is, I thought it was this clamp. If you can see it, I thought it was this clamp right here, right? But it's not. What it is this little rubber piece somehow slipped out from where it's supposed to be in the middle. You feel me? So I'm gonna try to figure out a way to put that back and do it myself. Now, I made a video one time saying that it's best that you try to learn how to do your own stuff, you feel me? So let's see what happens. All right, so we're gonna try to take this apart. Hey, if I fail, right? I'll try to take this apart and maybe, I think I'm doing it correctly, right? See, this rubber piece got to somehow slide back in there. And I'm thinking I should take this other, see, take this other piece out too. I know somebody's watching like, hey, you're doing it all wrong. Hey, who bike is this, cuz? So boom. Yeah, I see. All right, cool. So let's take this off. Right. Okay. All right. So we took the whole slip off. Hold on, where that nut go? All right, cool. So I need to, try to force this rubber piece. See, it got these two little things on the end. It might be wore out, Chet. It might be wore out. Yep. That's what it is. That rubber piece came on. How did that happen? All right. So now we got that rubber piece back in. Put our slip-on back in this way. Hold on. Okay. Mm-hmm. I had to wear a long sleeve shirt, man, because these doggone mosquitoes will eat you up. God knows I hate mosquitoes, bro. Okay. All right, so I figured out what it was. And gotta align everything back up. Right? So what it is, I got to push this rubber piece in a little bit more. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, shit. You see this? Yeah, so I got to push this rubber piece in a little bit more. Like so. Don't you roll away. I'm glad it wasn't like 90-something degrees out here, boy. I've been cooked. Yeah. Yeah. That's what we want there, cat daddy. That's what we want that cat daddy. Listen. I panicked too. I start calling the bros. I'm be like, hey yo, cause I panic. This is a thing though. Like with me, if it's something foreign to me, yo, I start panicking. And I start panicking, chat. Bruh, here you go. Right? So, by me panicking, I end up calling the bros like, hey man, what's going on? And one of the bros was like, I'll come help you if you can't get it. But I got it. So, thank God. And another thing too, man, what I've been learning, bro. Look, I love Harley. I love Harley, right? Don't get me wrong, I'm a Harley guy. But you can avoid taking your stuff to the shop and getting taxed for what you could have done yourself. I say do it. If you can afford, it, go for it. If you can afford getting taxed, and that's what it was. I don't know how that happened though, cat. And you know what? When I got this bike, it was used. And I'm wondering, because my wife was like, that right muffler looks loose. She was like, that right side looks loose. I'm wondering, was it already like that? There we go. So chat, I tightened it down too much before it was ready. Loosen up a little bit more. There you go. Boom. Boom. Get him in there. Get him in there, chat. Oh yeah. Now we cooking with grease, chat. We cooking with grease. We got them all the way in there. She tight. She tight, chat. I don't know how that came loose, but I'm glad I seen it. I would have hate been riding behind somebody or in front of somebody, I mean, and it come apart. So now what we're going to do is tighten up the clamp. Show you. All right, so we're going to take the 16. We'll take that off. Get this right. And tighten this clamp back up. Tighten this clamp back up, check. Loosen it. Hold on. Tighten this clamp back up. You feel me? Yeah, tighten this clamp back up. Father-in-law taught me one time, he said, son, do things yourself. He said, look at that. We're back in business, baby. We're back. He said, do things yourself, man. Uh-oh. I don't like that. I don't like that. Hold on. Okay. Okay, hold on. There we go. There we go. Yeah. We good, chat. We good. Hey. Do things yourself. That's all I'm gonna say. Do things yourself. We can put this saddle back on. Hold on. What happened to my... See, that's what I be talking about. I just had it. Do things yourself. So so you ain't got to pay the man. You feel me? And I just lost my socket. Hey, yeah. So I'm gonna put this back together. We're gonna put this back together. Hold on, chat. I'm giving you all type of information. We're gonna put this back together, and then I should be done. I lost my socket though. I think my socket rolled underneath the car, but give me a second. All right, chat, we did it. Let me see. So, boom, did it. Back together. You feel me? Back together, chat. Listen, if you can, do your own work. That's all I'm gonna say. A little hot out here, but like I said, I wear my hoodie because these mosquitoes will eat you alive, bro. God knows I can't wait till the fall kick in 100%. Yeah. Let me see. Got this toolkit off Amazon, I believe. Power built. Got everything you need for like motorcycle repair. So we kind of done. We kind of done out here. About to go in and see what we can get into for the rest of the day. But listen, I just want to make that quick video, put some content out. Also, for the simple fact that I encourage, if you can, do it yourself, do it yourself. Some things will be out of your league, right? Some things will be out of your league. If you can't get it, you can't get it. But it's a learning process. And just like this video, YouTube University. Now, I don't know how good of an example I showed you if you're ever looking for this type of work. But here go Dez right here. Hey, he's one of the bros. But listen, peace, love, God bless. Do your own work if you can. If you don't know how to do it, YouTube it.